military, law enforcement, customs, emergency response, fuel compliance. These and other security personnel have a requirement for real-time inspection of liquid-filled containers and bulk solid commodities. Spearhead Innovation's detection systems meet those requirements without opening containers, without disturbing the materials, and without requiring a product sample. Our products detect contraband in hidden compartments, classify or identify liquids and bulk solids, sort containers or bulk solids into groups of like and unlike by material content, and determine liquid fill level. Users can also store inspection data and transmit data files using wired or wireless means to support evidentiary or other post-inspection purposes. Our products use patented technology originally developed by scientists at a U.S. national laboratory. They measure the speed of sound through an unknown material at a known temperature and over a known distance, ranging from ½ an inch to 8 feet. This acoustic velocity is compared with values in a database to identify or classify material. When a signal does not reach a known distance, the systems alert the operator to the presence of a contraband or a hidden compartment. We are proud that our work has earned us the prestigious R&D 100 award, recognizing our PASS detection system as one of the most technologically significant products in the world. This is the PASS detection system. Handheld and lightweight at about 3 pounds, this ruggedized system analyzes containers ranging in size from 8 inches to 8 feet across, including jugs, propane tanks, 55-gallon drums, and fuel tanker trucks. Material ID mode is useful for security personnel who want to know what materials are passing through checkpoints, and for inspectors and recipients of liquids and bulk solids who want to confirm that container contents meet specifications. In Material ID mode, the PASS detection system can either be used in one-handed or two-handed operation. I'm going to use two-handed for ease of use on this table. First, you place the transducer against the sealed container, and then you squeeze the trigger to begin the scan. Within seconds, I have a readout. In this case, it tells me I have water. Next, I'll inspect the second container, initiate the inspection, place the transducer against the container, and within seconds, I have a reading that says antifreeze. The transducer is sensitive enough and the database has enough sensitivity that it can discriminate between compounds that are rather similar, such as different level octane gasolines. PASS has supported border security and revenue compliance inspectors along various international borders and has been credited with successes discovering fraud and detecting illicit hidden cargo. Contraband mode, as the name suggests, is useful for operators who want to be sure nothing is hidden inside a container or block of solid material. In this mode, PASS will detect an object tethered and suspended in a liquid medium inside a container, as well as other obstructions that might contain hidden compartments. It will also detect cavities or objects hidden in a bulk solid. In one such occurrence, the technology detected drugs that otherwise would have been smuggled into the United States in kegs of roofing tar. In this case, we put the transducer against the container, press the trigger, and very quickly it identifies that we have contraband. We open the container. We find a hidden compartment that could contain weapons, drugs, or other illicit materials. Using alarm mode, PASS allows inspectors to quickly move down a line of drums, conducting inspections on each drum to confirm that the contents are as stated on manifest. Should any containers hold contents different than that declared, PASS will sound an alarm to alert the inspector to that effect. In this regard, alarm mode represents an opportunity for inspectors to inspect many more goods than they otherwise might inspect. In this case, we place the transducer against the container, press the trigger, and we get a readout that says it matches what we expect, which is water. Go to the next container, press the transducer, pull the trigger again. Again, the same reading. It matches, it's water. Now we go to the third container, place the transducer and press the trigger, and we get an alarm that says that this substance does not match what was in the other containers. In this case, we know it's antifreeze, which is why we get the alarm. Now I'd like to take a few moments to point out the many features and benefits of our detection systems. They are fast, taking readings in 5 seconds or less, so traffic moves quickly. They are non-intrusive. The containers stay sealed, and operators and public stay safe. Inspectors will save time and money. They're non-destructive. Containers aren't damaged, and the inspectees won't complain. They're easy to use. There are no specialized skills required, so anyone can use them. They're small and portable. There are handheld or desktop models available. Systems will deploy anywhere. They're inexpensive to own. Low maintenance, few consumables. Users will save money. They are inherently safe. There's no radiation or dangerous materials, and that avoids operator health risk. These products are flexible in form. The technology is readily repackaged, and custom systems are available. The flexible nature of acoustic inspection technology allows us to develop hardware customized to suit particular needs. Our Hilda bottle inspector, for example, is a desktop system that screens containers ranging from 1/2 inch to 8 inches in diameter. Hilda is intended for use at security checkpoints in airports, corporate and government buildings, sports and concert arenas, museums, banks, anywhere people might be subject to security screening. Other customization services include adding materials to the database and configuring software features and functions to meet specific operator requests. For example, we can provide a go, no-go result to distinguish threat from benign liquids, if that is all the user requires. We can add container profiles that allow operators to quickly select the type of container to be inspected from a library of stored container profiles. And we can also customize graphical user interfaces so that the screen displays are most useful to pass operators. Spearhead Innovation's detection systems will inspect more goods with fewer personnel in less time at less cost and with less risk to operators and the public than current methods or competing technologies. We hope this presentation ignites your interest in further discussion as to how Spearhead might support your mission.